So India launches flash flood guidance service for South Asia. So India has launched first of its kind flash flood guidance service for India and other South Asian country like Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal and Sri Lanka. तो इंडिया फ्लैश फ्लड गाइडेंस किस किसको देगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे हो गया नेपाल, ठीक है, नेपाल हो जाएगा, भूटान हो जाएगा, देन देयर इज अ नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश एंड श्रीलंका. सो दीज आर द 4 कंट्री, नेपाल, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So India is first of its kind flood guidance service for India and other South Asian country like Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal and Sri Lanka. Under this, IMD will issue impact based forecasting. They will issue impact based forecasting as a watershed and also at the city level of the floods which are very sudden and of short duration. So it will issue impact based forecasting at the watershed. So impact based forecasting issue करेगा watershed पे and also at the city level flood under which very sudden and of short duration. Flash flood guidance क्या होती है? It is a robust system designed by the IMD. तो IMD ने डिज़ाइन किया, a robust system designed by IMD to provide necessary products in a real time to support the development of the warning of the flash floods about 6 to 12 hours in advance. So इस 6 से 12 घंटे एडवांस में बता देता है at the watershed level with a resolution of 4x4 kilometer for a flash flood prone South Asian country India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and Sri Lanka. IMD to recognize the flash flood have a particularly disaster impact on the life and property of the affected population. So the 15th WMO Congress had approved the implementation of flash flood guidelines project at the global level. तो 15 जो WMO World Meteorological Organization Congress हुई थी, it has approved the implementation of flash flood guidance system project with the global coverage. So flash flood आ जाते हैं इससे बहुत सारी communities को that is having disaster impact on the lives and properties of the affected population. So the development the WMO Commission for Hydrology jointly with some others. So this was developed by, किसने develop किया था? WMO Commission for Hydrology jointly by some others. WMO has entrusted India with the responsibility of Regional Center for South Asia Flash Flood Guidance System. तो इंडिया को इंटरेस्टेड द WMO हैज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. इंडिया को क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है WMO ऑफ द रीजनल सेंटर, इंडिया रीजनल सेंटर फॉर द साउथ एशियन फ्लैश फ्लड गाइडेंस. तो साउथ एशिया के लिए फ्लैश गाइडेंस इंडिया रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज विद इंडिया. So responsibility is with the India for coordination, development and implementation. Flash flood क्या है? They are highly localized events. So flash floods are highly localized event for short duration with a very high peak. Usually have very less than 6 hours between the occurrence of the rainfall and the peak period. So they are very highly localized events of the short duration. तो flash flood होते हैं बहुत ही highly localized event होते हैं for short duration. देखो highly localized होते हैं मतलब बहुत ही localized जगह पे होते हैं, बहुत ही short duration होते हैं with a very high peak. और उनकी peak बहुत ज़्यादा high होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है and usually have a less than 6 hours between the occurrence of the rainfall and peak flood. तो 6 hour कम होते हैं and usually 6 hours से कम टाइम होता है रेनफॉल हुई और पीक फ्लड आने में 6 घंटे से कम टाइम लगता है. सो दीज आर हाईली लोकलाइज्ड इवेंट ऑफ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन एंड विद अ वेरी हाई पीक and usually have a less than 6 hours between the occurrence of the rainfall and the peak flood. So these are highly localized events of short duration with a high peak and usually have less than 6 hours between the occurrence of the rainfall and the peak period.